celebration. Where are the guys' classmates? You guys are from Pacific First School. Sacred Heart. MQC. Yung Paranaque. Pasig. Okay, Sacred Heart, Pasig. Well, the music teacher is here. Hi. Okay, thank you so much again to all friends and relatives and classmates who came over here to celebrate Mikai's birthday party. Do not worry, guys. We're going to start the celebration in a few minutes. We just have to wait for the other guests. Some of your classmates, they're on their way now. And again, for those of you just arrived, my name is Better. It's Better. You can call me Kuya Better if you like. You can call me Tito Better, pwede rin. Do not call me Ate Better, ha? You call me Ate Better. And I'll be doing some magic later, okay? Have you watched magic show before? Yeah? Which one is your favorite animal, the magician's
Lalo na ang anak ko nasa
dogs. Who wants to see a rabbit?
Dubai. Si Jan, panganay ko.
What is rabbit's favorite food? Did you say cockroach? Cockroach. Very good. Cabbage, yeah, carrots and cabbage. Let's just wait for the other kids. Those kids in the back, again, if you guys can hear me, those kids outside, we're going to start the celebration in a bit. So all the kids supposed to be here. We still have a lot of vacant chairs right here in front. Let's go.
Kasi akala ko nakakoroni ka rin na dress. Ay, din po. Tapos ito sa inyo naman. Nabibirthday to, di ba? Di ba kayo limitado? Next year pa kami. Oo. Malapit na yun. Birthday niya 10, di ba? Oo, birthday, siyempre. Pwede ba naman yun? Paano kasi, kasali sa pinay dito. Ay, na pa kayo? Ayan po. Ang ganda mo naman. Hello. Hi. Hello. Pipila din ako. Ito, 10 price. Gaya, huwag mo ako ng milyon. Hindi, dito ako pa. Diyan ako makita. Barbecue, ay wala pa.
Barbecue na. Barbecue.
Huwag mo pakwana. Gaya pakwan.
Shake.
Pakwano, shake. Hello. Hello.
minutes. We are going to
Libre ang
start
punta kayo doon, meron ba?
We are
Meron?
going to start
Saan?
Mikai's birthday celebration in
Hello, Amber.
15 minutes. And exactly 5 o'clock, we are going to start the party. So, we still have 15 more minutes left for us to enjoy all the amenities and activities right here at Mikai's birthday. Again, you can grab some snacks. You can get another round of nachos, corn in a cup, and hot dogs. And also we have French fries and frutas. Yeah, as you can see, some of the kids are now enjoying the inflatable balls in the mobile playground. So